हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एएम एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़। ये हैं आज के टॉप हेडलाइंस। इंडिया और यूरोपियन यूनियन ट्रेड डील बहुत नज़दीक है। ये इंडिया का अब तक का लार्जेस्ट ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट हो सकता है। इसमें ईयू गुड्स और सर्विसेज का इंडिया के ह्यूज मार्केट तक एक्सेस और दोनों तरफ के टैरिफ्स को रिड्यूस करना शामिल है।
To sealing a long pending free trade agreement or FTA. If finalized, this deal could become one of India's most economically significant trade pacts, reshaping how India's businesses access global markets. India and the EU first began FTA negotiations back in 2007. Talks progressed steadily for a few years, but collapsed by 2013 due to sharp disagreements. The EU pushed for lower tariffs on automobiles, wine and spirits.
इंडिया आर्मी डे परेड जयपुर में हो रही है। इस बार परेड पुरानी ट्रेडिशन से हटकर एक ओपन सिटी वेन्यू में भैरव बटालियन का डेब्यू भी है। आर्मी डे 1949 में पहली बार इंडियन कमांडर इन चीफ की कमांड कमेमोरेट करता है।
You won't hear them coming. You will feel them arrive. Not because the ground allows it, because the mission demands it. Light on the feet. Heavy on impact. Closing into contact. Contact to destroy. This is not speed. This is inevitability. Once they step in, the battlefield adjusts. Terrain bends. Enemy submits. Momentum is not created. It is imposed. Once they enter the field, the outcome is inevitable. Shock by design.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Bhairav spirit.
लग्जरी कार मेकर मर्सिडीज बेंज 2025 इंडिया में रिकॉर्ड रेवेन्यू बनाया। हाई एंड कार डिमांड स्ट्रांग रही। ये इंडिया की लग्जरी ऑटो मार्केट ग्रोथ दिखाता है।
This SUV is 3.16 crore rupees and now it will be available in India for 2.75 crore rupees. Why is that? Why is there a 40 lakh rupees sharp dip in the price of this car? That is because this car will now be domestically manufactured in India, making India only the second market after the United States of America to manufacture and produce this car domestically. And why has Mercedes taken the decision of domestically manufacturing and producing this car? Let's hear from the man himself, Santosh Iyer, MD and CEO Mercedes-Benz India.
2025 was one of the best year for us again in terms of revenue, also top-end vehicle sales, and I'm proud to say that Maybach in specific climbed to the top. India is the top 5 Maybach markets in the world, and I think that's a very big step that we took last year, and also shows the affinity for the car. So it was logical for us to then think to localize it because that helps in pricing. We know that the exchange rate has not been as favorable to the euro, which keeps the pricing going up. This car was at around 3.17 crores. Now we have been able to reduce it to 2.75 because of localization. So I think that's a big benefit for the consumer. It also helps us to drive more demand and more consumers buying a Mercedes Maybach GLS.
यूएस प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने रेजा पहलवी, ईरान के लास्ट शाह के बेटे, के सपोर्ट पर क्वेश्चन उठाया। कहा कि ईरान में चेंज इनसाइड से ही आना चाहिए। ईरान में भी करंट क्लेरिकल रिजीम कोलैप्स हो सकता है।
And still the state controls the story. Funerals broadcast nationwide, a carefully choreographed show of strength. Among the mourners, a pointed display of blame. This mock coffin wrapped in a US flag with blood-stained hands. Photos of Iran's supreme leader held high. Weeks of violence now colliding with diplomatic collapse. Iran warning it will retaliate if the US strikes.
We have been informed by very important sources on the other side, and they've said the killing has stopped and the executions won't take place.
Despite that assurance, America is shifting its military footing. Hundreds of personnel pulled from Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar, a coordinated move after the site was hit.
डेनिश प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि यूएस का एम्बिशन ग्रीनलैंड को स्ट्रेटेजिकली कंट्रोल करने का इंटैक्ट है। इस पर जियोपॉलिटिकल कंसर्न्स और नेटो का आर्कटिक प्रेजेंस भी बढ़ रहा है।
Long-term security in Greenland. And here our perspectives continue to differ, I must say. We didn't manage to change the American position. It's clear that the president has this wish of conquering over Greenland. We made it very, very clear that this is not in the interest of the kingdom.
It's very important to say it again that how important it is from our side to strengthen our cooperation with the United States, but that doesn't mean that we want to be owned by United States.
Protests continue globally after Iran unrest और UN Security Council ने deadly protest agenda पे डिस्कस करना स्टार्ट किया। Airlines like Lufthansa flights reroute कर रही हैं due to airspace closures. IMD ने severe dense fog और cold wave warning दी नॉर्थ एंड सेंट्रल इंडिया के लिए। लो विजिबिलिटी ट्रैवल में प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकता है। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग AM Express News।